Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a number 6 cake topper without a mold, without a cutter, just freehand. Yes, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this my number topper cake series. So I made a number topper cake series for you guys from 0 to 9. So I made 0, 1, 2, 3, until 9. Yeah, and then I made different designs and I made them freehand without any cutter, without any mold or anything. So, and I also did different designs for each one. So that's what we're going to be doing. This one today has like a zebra stripe in gold and black. So that's what we're going to be doing for this number 6 today. So right now we're doing a number 6 cake topper. So before we go ahead, yeah, if you want to know how to make this gum paste, I made this gum paste myself. I have a video tutorial on how to make it. And the wonderful thing with using my gum paste recipe is that usually when I'm making a cake, sometimes I forget to make the topper in advance or maybe some accessories. So like I have very few time to make the cake accessory and it needs to firm up. So I have a recipe for a gum paste that firms up in less than 2 hours. It firms up really fast and can stand on its own, whether you're making a topper, you're making a crown, or like it can be firm and stand on its own in less than 2 hours. Okay, so I'm going to leave the card right up here for you guys. It says click on me. Yeah, so click on that and see how to make that. So that's what we're going to be using for our number 6 today, and that was what I used for every single one of these my number cake toppers. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. See how pretty they have different numbers. Okay, so stop wasting your time. Anyways, okay, so guys, what you want to do is take your gum paste, yes, that we already made, and then you want to roll it out into a log. And this log, you want to make sure it is uniform. You don't want one part to be thicker than the other. And how I make sure the log is uniform is by taking my my cake smoother and rolling it over the log. That way, like, it makes it smoother and makes it uniform instead of using just the palm of your hand, because the palm of your hand is not completely flat, if that makes sense. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you taper the ends of the roll of the log. Basically, like, you want to make sure the ends are tapered. So this is what you want to do, and then you want to bend one side to make a 6. And if you notice, a 6 can also make a 9, and that's because, like, if you're making a 9, all you have to do is turn it upside down. So you want to, once you roll it to make a 6, you want to take some edible glue and then glue it together, glue that end together. You want to make sure it folds inside a little so you can hold the shape a little bit more. Okay, so how to make my edible glue? Like, I make my edible glue out of maybe CMC or sometimes out of wafer paper scrap. So I'm going to leave a link right up here, a card right up here for you guys. Just click on me. Yeah, click on that. You see how to make my edible glue. So you want to take your cake scraper and then your cake smoother and use it to press your 6 down. Like, use it to press it onto the table or onto your work surface. That way it gives you like a wider shape that is not so rounded, and it is bigger and kind of prettier, in my opinion. Yeah, so that's what you want to do. So another thing you want to do is use your smoother and also the palm of your hand to like shape the sides. They're not well shaped and stuff, and just basically just make it look as much as a 6 as you can. So now I'm taking my skewer and I'm trying to insert it into the longest part of the number 6. That's the part where like it's going to enter. Do you get? You don't want to insert it into the bottom directly, because then you're going to see your skewer in the hole where there is no fondant. I don't know if that makes sense. And you don't want to do that. You want to make a 6 that is actually a 6, and you don't want to see any skewer or anything like, passing through the hole. Nothing passes through the hole of 6. So now that we are done, you want to make sure you put your skewer early enough before it firms up, because this gum paste firms up really fast, and if you leave it for around maybe 10-12 minutes before you do that, it will start to crack, and it will crack while you're trying to put in your skewer, if that makes sense. So you want to do it immediately. Another tip to doing this is that you want to make sure like you don't use a toothpick, because a toothpick is too short, and so by the time you insert the toothpick, like, it kind of enters through and then it doesn't go far enough into the number 6 for you to be able to stick it into your cake. I don't know if my English makes sense to you, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're going to take your paintbrush, and then you're going to take your edible paint, which I make with gel food coloring and some vodka, and then you're going to start to paint on top of your number 6. First of all, I'm using the black, and I'm like painting black first. So we're making like a zebra stripe on this number 6. I'm going to be using black and gold. So you want to go around with your black, and you want to make sure like it is going in like one direction, so it won't look scattered like in different directions and stuff. So that's what you want to do. So once you're done with the black, you want to go inside by the side of it with the gold, not on top, by the side, just a thin line with gold. So you have like a black and gold and white zebra striped number 6 cake topper. And when I was done, this cake topper was so pretty, and it forms up really fast. And you can do both sides. Like if you want to do both sides, what you have to do is wait for the front to dry. This paint dries out really fast. I don't have a tutorial on how to make this edible paint, but I think I'm going to make it for you guys soon. Anyways, this paint dries out really fast, so within like 10-15 minutes it's dry. So you can turn it upside down and then do the other side. And if you can't wait 10 minutes, all you have to do is take your skewer and stick it on top of something so it can stand on its own. Yeah, like maybe stick it on top of a cake dummy so it can stand on its own, so you can paint the back as well. So in case you want to have both the back and the front painted, but I painted just the front for the purpose of this video. So that's all you have to do, guys, and you have a very pretty number 6 cake topper. Thank you guys for always watching my videos, and if you like this tutorial, please make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section below, and please give me a thumbs up. And if you like to buy my edible gold dust, yeah, like it is very pigmented and awesome, I left a link for you guys in the description box below. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.